In this video, I will show you a program where we want to convert a CSV file to a JSON file. We have an input file like this where we have name and age, and we want to convert this value, all this value to a JSON value, and we want to store in the output file output.json. So here is the program. So program execution will start from here. We have a main function. I'm defining main function here. Here main function we have called. So these two variables, first one is a csv underscore file. I'm defining that variable. I'm defining input csv file path, and here I'm giving that path of JSON file, which is an output file. So next one we have a CSV to JSON function which require two arguments. One is the CSV file, another is a JSON file. So over the top I have imported JSON and CSV libraries. So when I call this CSV to JSON function, so control of the program will reach here, and so inside that CSV to JSON function, I can see there are two CSV file and JSON file as an argument. And then first what I did, I have opened that CSV file in the read board, and then here I'm using a csv.dictReader function. DictReader function require file which is a CSV file in this case, and what it will do, this function will read that CSV file as a dictionary, and if you print this reader variable, basically this output will store in the reader, and it will show csv.dictReader object. And if I want to see the content, and then I need to convert it to a list by using a list function, and data if I'll print, then you will see a list of dictionaries. Okay, let me show you. So I'm running the program. Here you can see that this reader variable will display you that object, and then data, this will show you list of dictionaries. Here all the input values like name and age are a key, and then there are values like Ram, and this age is 45, so that become the values. So here all that lines become dictionaries, and that will be part of become the value of list. Okay, that is a list of dictionaries. So now what we want to convert this list of dictionaries, and we want to write that to a JSON file. So basically next portion will cover that part. So I am opening that JSON file under write mode, and then I'm using json.dump. Here dump function, what it will do, it will convert that list of dictionary into a JSON formatted string. So first one is that list of dictionaries, and first argument it required, then second argument it required that file which is the output file here, and this is indentation. So if I run the program, and you can see the output file here, you can see like that you will get the output. Okay, if I'll change this indentation to like 5, and then I run program again, you can see there are some indentation, right? And suppose I want to add one more column in the CSV file, then I will execute the program again. Okay, so I will run again, and you can see a new column appended, and with the values same way. So like that you will use this program to convert this kind of a CSV file to the JSON, and that's all. Thanks.